Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite lag, high ping and pocket loss issues. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connections. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and alternative DNS type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. Click on OK to save changes. After using this DNS, if you experiencing high ping, lag and pocket loss, then you just need to go back to the settings and select obtain DNS server address automatically and select OK and just close stuff here. The third step, you just need to open up a Fortnite and you just need to press in keyboard escape key, go to settings, gear icon and select the setting gear icon and in matchmaking region select the lowest ping you have in this list. In my case Asia is the lowest ms. After selecting it, you just need to select apply for save changes and that will be saved guys, just like this. Select apply for save changes and now you can play Fortnite without having any issues. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.